It's a 2014 Audi A8L 3.0T, and it's an Audi certified pre-owned vehicle. This one has gone through a rigorous 300-plus point inspection process. No other manufacturer puts its certified pre-owned cars through a tougher, more encompassing examination. Every Audi has to ace this examination in order to qualify as a certified pre-owned vehicle. And this Audi A8L features a stunning black exterior complemented by a desirable black leather interior. It has just 30,858 miles. A few of this A8L's features include the navigation system, and it has heated leather seats, an MP3 player dock, rain-sensing windshield, four-wheel anti-lock brakes, steering wheel audio controls, home link, moonroof, power windows, and keyless entry. It's also factory equipped with an impressive 3.0-liter V6 TFSI engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic, and Quattro all-wheel drive. So this Audi A8L is ready to conquer the roads. It's an Audi certified pre-owned vehicle that comes with peace of mind built in. It also has a 24/7 roadside assistance plan for the duration of the warranty and the balance of the original 12-year corrosion perforation limited warranty, regardless of mileage. Plus, it has the balance of no-charge scheduled maintenance, 24-hour customer service, and much more. Come see this Audi A8L today.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.